The world of agriculture is changing. Global population growth and rising consumer demand for healthier, varied and high-quality food have put unparalleled pressure on the produce market. Now it is even more important than ever for manufacturers to sort and package produce in a way that guarantees consistent quality, improved margins, lower operational costs, less waste, and a great return on investment. Aweta can help. Our story started over 55 years ago, in the heart of the Dutch fruit and vegetable greenhouse sector. Now we are an industry leader in the supply of turnkey solutions that help our customers achieve even higher standards. How do we do this? We stay connected to our customers to make sure we understand their needs. They need user-friendly equipment that is as reliable as it is cost-effective. They need a state-of-the-art way to ensure proper grading to meet their own end customers' needs. And they need a partner they can trust to make sure they get the most value per kilo for the produce they sell. We proactively set our ambitions and goals to meet these specific needs. This starts with our passionate and ambitious team. We use an innovation mindset to design and manufacture groundbreaking sorting and packaging solutions. Every day, our specialists collaborate, using their extensive knowledge in automation, mechanical, and electronic disciplines, to create breakthrough technologies with real-world applications, such as software systems that provide visual flow control to track and trace your data across the entire supply chain. Then we use our in-house expertise to test the next generation of proven, highly automated equipment for our customers across the globe. This global customer base means that we are at the forefront of global trends as we help our customers adapt to local demands and support them every step of the way. From installation to on-site training to excellence in local customer service, wherever they are in the world. Because at Aweta, we think the only way to produce the most reliable and innovative turnkey solutions is to understand our customers and add value. By giving them the cutting-edge technology they need to grow and to succeed. That's what keeps us, and more importantly our customers, ahead of the competition. Aweta. It's sorted.